Hi guys, welcome back. This is Thabit on Mr. Technical, and today just wanted to show you guys again inner workings of a internal combustion engine. This one over here that we are looking at right now is your typical example of a twin cammed engine. Twin cammed being shown by two camshafts over the top, your spark plug in the middle, and in a case, well, engine design like this, you would have port injection, meaning that your injectors would spray along your intake streams, whereas the intake manifold bolts onto the head, which would be on, the section over here. Air and fuel would mix prior to entering this chamber, then flow over the valve, enter the combustion chamber. Piston would then travel up to compress the air and fuel mixture. Spark plug would set it off. In that, after that, you'd have your exhaust valve opening up, which then allows the stream to exit, and then, well, it just repeats itself. So you have the intake, you have compression, you then have the power stroke going down, and as it comes up for the last time, exhaust valve opens to exhaust. So looking at the diagram over here, what I wanted you guys to pay attention to is when you hear a knocking sound, like it sounds like metal slapping on metal, and you've been told that you have piston slap. Essentially, what a piston slap is that this section over here of the piston skirt actually wears away, and in addition the rings wear off the walls of the bore. So as the surface gets worn, it increases the gap between the piston and the bore wall, and it's that gap increase that causes the piston to essentially rock back and forward as it's traveling up and down inside of the combustion chamber. That rattling is what we call piston slap, and essentially will gouge the bore, leading to vertical scratch lines on the bore, and you losing compression because these rings, the first two rings, which are compression rings, can no longer seal against the bore wall and the piston head itself. So it allows the gases from combustion to escape on the side, and then it makes its way down to the crank. So, yeah, piston slap in a nutshell just means that you are wearing away your bore walls. Your rings potentially could be scraping it away, and your piston head is basically rocking backwards and forwards as it travels up and down.